Hi, I'm Katie Lloyd, Brandt Product Manager for Ziegler Ag Equipment, and today we'll be doing a walk-around of a Brandt GrainDeck. This deck has a capacity of 12,000 bushels per hour. This is set up as a double tube. It provides 2.5 foot more clearance on the discharge end than the single tube. This is also set up as a hydraulic motor with a valve selector. The valve selector helps turn the belt on and off while the tractor hydraulics keep running. There's an option for an electric motor. If you choose to get the electric motor, there's a hydraulic wet kit that helps lift the transport wheels on and off the ground. There's also an option for an easy move kit, which would move the grain belt around the yard using a joystick for the operator. This deck is just under 6 inches. This is also equipped with ramp extensions, which makes pulling on and off even easier for lower trucks. It also helps avoiding sliding on hard surfaces. Brandt GrainDecks also come with a collapsible spring-assisted hopper to collect all the grain and avoid spillage. All Brandt belts come with a patented Easy Track tensioning system. If it's green, it means the belt is tensioned correctly. If it's red, it means it needs to be adjusted. Brandt also offers a bunker kit. It pairs really well with their 20 series harvest belts. What it does is turn the wheels both 90 degrees and allows them to be towed in unison so that you don't have to keep adjusting while piling. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local Ziegler Ag branch.